You can't sharpen? I'm gonna go for another run. I'm gonna go for one more. Okay.
This is the real one.
Oh, okay. Let me just make sure to line this up right. Go. That is the length. Right. Whew. All right. Reset. Dude. Are you gonna continue streaming after this?
I got some stuff to do. I might come back tonight.
I'm not gonna lie, I might do some Mario Odyssey after this. It is speedrun Saturday. That's the whole reason for this.
Okay, then that's what I'm saying to you.
Okay then. Right. I'm clearing some ways. Oh, okay. Next up, pizza percent. Just eat a whole pizza by yourself. At least 16 inches in diameter. All right.
Bro, I'll do that.
I'll do that, no question.
I'll do that for
All right. Yo, speedrunning pizza in my life. Do you remember the Papa Louie games? No, Papa Louie. It's a bunch of Flash games.
I do not remember.
Oh, that seems like a sad childhood. All right, I'm starting.
Wow, nothing to say. Just starts the speedrun. Okay.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Jesus. All right, we're resetting that. Freaking tried to get it. I need to start with my hands, I think, and then go to my feet. Because, like, it doesn't stay in the sharpener if I don't sharpen it a little bit. Yeah.
I agree with that. I agree.
Okay. We're going to try this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, we're watching me? Oh, you're gonna make me all flustered now. Okay, I got it sharpened a little bit. Let's go to my feet. All right, beautiful. I'm going, man. Oh, jeez, this one went fast. All right.
Oh, I got that one out too perfect. I can go for another run. Let's go.
Come on. Come on. All right. Holy hell, 113, baby. Woo!
Show me the
Woo!
measurement, dude.
Oh, if that ain't 2 inches, then I don't know what is. Oh, baby. 2 inches with room to spare. Right there, dude. Woo!
This is another shot.
Let's go.